This video will show you how to export the aircraft footage and how to edit the footage with the LightCut app. Exporting footage. Using Quick Transfer in DJI Fly, you can transfer the footage from the aircraft to your mobile device at a high speed. Power on the aircraft. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the location feature on your mobile device. Run DJI Fly. Tap Quick Transfer on the home screen, and select DJI Avata 2. When connecting to the app for the first time, press and hold the power button on the aircraft for 2 seconds when the prompt appears. The battery level LEDs blink from inside to out and then turn solid. Tap Join to confirm joining the aircraft Wi-Fi. Once successfully connected, you can access the aircraft album and download the footage at a high speed to your mobile device. The aircraft can only connect to one mobile device at a time when using Quick Transfer. Disconnect the Wi-Fi connection between the mobile device and the aircraft before connecting to another mobile device. You can also connect the aircraft to a computer using a USB-C cable, and then export the files to the computer. Editing with LightCut app. DJI Avata 2 can be connected to the LightCut app. You can generate edited videos in the app without exporting. Scan the QR code or visit the DJI official website to download and install the LightCut app. Power on the aircraft. Enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the location feature on your mobile device. Tap Device on the top of the home screen and select the aircraft for connection. When connecting to the app for the first time, press and hold the power button on the aircraft for 2 seconds when the prompt appears. The battery level LEDs blink from inside to out and then turn solid. Tap Join to confirm joining the aircraft Wi-Fi. Once successfully connected, you can access and edit the aircraft footage. The LightCut app also supports one-tap edit and audio match. One-tap edit provides you with diverse templates and can identify the best video clips, which allows you to produce polished content with just a few taps. Audio match can automatically match and add sound effects to your aircraft footage, which allows you to easily enhance the audio of your videos. Thank you for watching.